Tom doesn't need any help doing that. Tom doesn't need any help doing that. Tom couldn't stop us from doing that. Tom couldn't stop us from doing that. Tom could be excused from doing that. Tom could be excused from doing that. Tom could be arrested for doing that. Tom could be arrested for doing that. Tom began doing that 3 years ago. Tom began doing that 3 years ago. Tom began doing that 3 weeks ago. Tom began doing that 3 weeks ago. I didn't know Tom enjoyed doing that. I didn't know Tom enjoyed doing that. I suspect Tom has finished doing that. I suspect Tom has finished doing that. I'm not really planning on doing that. I'm not really planning on doing that. Tom and Mary have finished doing that. Tom and Mary have finished doing that. Tom will spend next weekend doing that. Tom will spend next weekend doing that. Tom hasn't been punished for doing that. Tom hasn't been punished for doing that. I've already thanked Tom for doing that. I've already thanked Tom for doing that. Tom didn't seem interested in doing that. Tom didn't seem interested in doing that. Tom probably won't be doing that tomorrow. Tom probably won't be doing that tomorrow. Tom has already apologized for doing that. Tom has already apologized for doing that. Tom doesn't recommend doing that way. Tom doesn't recommend doing that way. Do you know why Tom is doing that? Do you know why Tom is doing that? Can you tell Tom to stop doing that? Can you tell Tom to stop doing that? I didn't know Tom saw me doing that. I didn't know Tom saw me doing that. How did you know Tom was doing that? How did you know Tom was doing that? I hope Tom and Mary keep doing that. I hope Tom and Mary keep doing that. I didn't see Tom and Mary doing that. I didn't see Tom and Mary doing that. Tom and I plan on doing that together. Tom and I plan on doing that together. I know that Tom is through doing that. I know that Tom is through doing that. I suspect that Tom won't be doing that. I suspect that Tom won't be doing that. I'm the only one who's been doing that. I'm the only one who's been doing that. I wasn't aware that Tom was doing that. I wasn't aware that Tom was doing that. I know Tom is interested in doing that. I know Tom is interested in doing that. I suspect Tom is planning on doing that. I suspect Tom is planning on doing that. I suspect that Tom isn't doing that now. I suspect that Tom isn't doing that now. I'm supposed to be doing that right now. I'm supposed to be doing that right now. I'm not willing to try doing that again. I'm not willing to try doing that again. I'm not very good at doing that either. I'm not very good at doing that either. I'm not going to start doing that today. I'm not going to start doing that today. Tom needs to be punished for doing that. Tom needs to be punished for doing that. I've advised Tom not to stop doing that. I've advised Tom not to stop doing that. I don't think Tom was through doing that. I don't think Tom was through doing that. I don't really enjoy doing that with Tom. I don't really enjoy doing that with Tom. Tom isn't supposed to be doing that here. Tom isn't supposed to be doing that here. I've advised Tom not to start doing that. I've advised Tom not to start doing that. I'm waiting for Tom to finish doing that. I'm waiting for Tom to finish doing that. I hope Tom isn't interested in doing that. I hope Tom isn't interested in doing that. Tom says he really regrets not doing that. Tom says he really regrets not doing that. Tom is too serious to consider doing that. Tom is too serious to consider doing that. Tom began doing that when he was 13. Tom began doing that when he was 13. Tom hasn't been accused of doing that yet. Tom hasn't been accused of doing that yet. Tom hasn't yet been accused of doing that. Tom hasn't yet been accused of doing that. I didn't really enjoy doing that with Tom. I didn't really enjoy doing that with Tom. I didn't know that Tom enjoyed doing that. I didn't know that Tom enjoyed doing that.